guys, it's Friday the 19th of December. It's roughly 10 to 10 on the 19th of December in the morning, and with a little bit of rain, it's around 27-28 degrees. Still good to come on down to the esplanade and get yourself a relaxing time. Still go fishing. It's really good to get outside. We'll see how far I can get today before it gets too heavy. If it gets too heavy, I'll have to cut things short. As you can see, the mud's everyone's under cover. It's great to get out and see the view. How fantastic is this view? As I said, it's a bit of rain today. Tide's on its way now. It's perfect for school holidays. Instead of having the kids at home, get a birdie weekend. As you can see, the pelicans are here today. So there is toilets here as well. You're always on camera. It's a great weather for ducks, but it's also great weather for pelicans as well. They don't mind it. It's a good relaxation time for our pelicans. You can see the rain coming. I we should be able to beat that. So this time of the year the rain comes in patches. It rained enough yesterday to stop me from going fishing. I went up home to go fishing and all the rivers were up. Just remember, when the rain's out, you get a lot of jellyfish. Yeah? There's quite a few jellyfish when the rain's out. This lovely drive is totally booked out. It's absolutely amazing. Again, with all my videos, if you like a particular spot, just remember to freeze, pause the video, take a screenshot of the video, and then you can cut and paste your stuff into the video, or you can cut and paste your whole family into the video of the screenshot. It's a nice breeze, our flags are flying. It's not too big, just enough to get them up. It's really planning to do down the block as well. One of the most sought after shots is this shot here. Everyone seems to love to come down and get a selfie with this shot. Just remember when it's overcast, it's still got to be sunspot. And there we go. We've walked from Muddies all the way down. It's only 550 meters. So it hasn't been really that heavy a rain at all. It's just light sprinkles. And it's just nice to come down, enjoy the lagoon today. Enjoy what Cairns has to offer. And of course it's safe. I'm Grass Pepper, and thank you for coming for a walk with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and